Okay, for all you glass people, we're going to show you how the LT-55 can digitize, like in this case, an L-shaped glass enclosure here. There's going to be an opening and another glass wall goes here. So what we're going to do is shoot points here, there, and across the ceiling. And then we're going to adjust this line to match the width of the opening of the door that we want. Then we're going to find any surface that's either level or plumb and use that to make our straight cut up so it's plumb. Okay, let's start. First of all, we're going to start here and hit a point. Another one over here. Actually, the device will actually fill the corners sharp. We can even put radiuses on it if we prefer. Put a little fuzzy thing there to stop any reflection. You'll see that in our instructions on what to do and what not to do with lasers, but what we don't want is a big reflection. Okay, that's all the field work we have to do for this wall. This wall over here would be just 6 points and we're done. Now, we would want to rotate this. We're going to actually change the screen here so you can see this better. What we're going to do here is rotate to, let's say we put a level on this floor and the floor is level, but that's not plumb, that's not level, that's not plumb, and the ceiling's not level. We'll pick the level surface and rotate the drawing to that. We already checked this. The floor here is about the only thing that is level. So I'm going to rotate to the floor piece. Okay? Now, I've decided that this glass here, from this here to over here, needs to be 17 inches. That allows me approximately a 2-foot doorway. So, what I'm going to do here is erase that line. I've already rotated to that line, and I will now draw a line that would be 17 inches long, and it goes down. Right there. Now, I'm going to draw a line plumb up from there to the ceiling. First of all, I need to know how long to draw the line. It doesn't matter. I'm going to fill at the corner. So I can check a quick distance from here to there. That says 94. So I'm going to draw a line that's 95. So I go to draw a line. I change it to 95 inches and I aim it that way. Okay, I touch here and there it is. Now I simply fill at that corner with a sharp corner like this and that, and there's my glass. Now, I can show you all the dimensions. Now these dimensions are net. In other words, you have to offset each one of them, not a big deal, for your track. Let's say you had a 3/8 inch offset. I can set the quick action function here. Oh, I don't have a 3/8 inch offset, but I can create one. Offset each line 3/8 of an inch, except for my opening line. I don't want to move that. And then fill them back together, and then I'm going to have that particular panel done. Now, I'm going to show you how we can do angles too. Just so you know, I'm going to take off the dimensions. I'm going to go here and draw and add angle. What we do is we hit 3 points on each. I'm sorry, that's a mistake. Draw, add angle. I hit each end of the angle and then the center and it draws that. See, that's 89.69. Now I'm going to do the same thing here, there, and there. You'll see that is 90 because that's the one we decided was going to be plumb going straight up from the level curved piece. Now you can check any other angle. Now what if I came down from the ceiling and decided that, I didn't measure the ceiling to see if it was level. Let's see what that angle is. I'm going to check here, there, and there. Aha, 89.66 degrees. Not quite plumb, but our door opening line will be plumb. And you can adjust this to any level or plumb surface by rotating the drawing to that and drawing away from that. Let's check another one here. Let's go there, there, and there. 90.15. There, and here. 90.27. So this is the problem when you're cutting glass. If you want to just put it on a table and cut it 90 degrees, that's when you need big tracks with lots of space because it doesn't work. This you could cut at that angle and be perfect. Now we haven't offset this yet, that's something I can show you how to do here. Let's assume that the track offset from the net measurement would be a ½ inch. Okay, so we don't have that programmed in here, which is easy to do. We're going to say that the offset is 0.5. Okay, now we simply hit the line and come in. Hit the line, come in, that one, there, that one, there, and that one, there. Now there is no offset on that thing there. Now right now we can erase the outside lines very simply. And now we're left with a net cut to fit in the tracks. Now your corners, if you look at them, are not filleted properly. So we're going to go with the sharp fillet and redo those corners. There we go. This drawing can be emailed to any fabrication place. If you can't cut this on your standard machine, it can be emailed to anybody. They can cut that glass and it'll fit like a glove. Okay. Now this wall over here, same thing, only this is simpler because there's no offset or L shape involved. We hit 2 points on the floor, 2 points on the wall, 2 points on the ceiling. Now you can do multiple points, but your track is straight. Doesn't make sense. If you have a really, really ugly curve and something has to be custom made, then you'd hit a bunch of points. If you had, for example, a crescent or arc shape thing, that's where this comes into play. We can draw in arc mode or single line segments, anything you want. We put an air card in here. Right now I would email this back to my fabricator and then I would continue on, not going back with paper or hard templates or whatever, and then continue on and go home from there. So timing and gas and labor is just tremendously reduced by using this.